Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that World Assets token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing according to the white paper. The World Assets, the vision of the World Assets, what protocol platform is to create a new RWA financial paradigm for the world by leveraging blockchain technology and decentralized finance DeFi. It aims to inject new volatility into real world assets. The WET protocol platform seeks to reshape traditional financial models, including assets investment, allocation management, trading, and financing, providing global users with RWA solutions covering equities, stocks, bonds, real estate, art, luxury goods, precious metals, and AI application and computing power. Total was Word Assets project audited by Ceritic. Word Assets token total supply is 90 million and circulating supply is also 90 million INC token. INC token is listed on Gate.io, MEXC, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a visit to a good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.